Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a chart in MS Excel file. A chart is a graphical representation of the data. By observing a chart, you can analyze accurately the data rather than reading the text. For that purpose, we use the graphs. To create a chart in MS Excel, first we will open the Excel file. I would like to create a chart for the student marks. Select the data which you want to create a chart, including the row headers. Click on Insert tab, go to the Charts category. In this, click on this Create Chart button. It displays Insert Chart dialog box. There are number of chart types of charts are available. Some of them are column chart, line chart, pie chart. This is the pie chart, and bar chart, area chart, XY scatter, etc. Based on your requirement, based on your application, you choose your chart type. For comparing purpose, mostly we'll use the column chart or bar chart. For example, if you are watching a cricket match, then they will compare the two teams batting lineup or bowling lineup by using the line charts. As you know, if there are any budget allocations, then they will use the pie chart. How the budget is allocated, entire budget to which category. Like that, depends upon your requirement and application, choose the type of the chart. Now in this example, I am comparing the marks of the students. That's why I am using the column chart. Click on the chart type, column, and click on OK button. Then chart is created within the same Excel worksheet. This is the chart. Here, by observing this chart, you can analyze the who got the highest marks in this class. By observing this chart immediately, I can say Divya got highest marks by observing this columns on the chart. The second highest marks got Akhil, and third highest marks got Shyam Kumar. By observing at a glance, I can understand, I can analyze the data, entire data, rather than reading this entire table. After creating the chart, automatically 3 tabs are added to your Excel application. One is the design tab, second one layout tab, third one format tab. By using this design tab, you can design the chart. You can change the color of the chart by choosing the color, chart color. Here some predefined chart colors are available. These are the designs. You can also change the chart type by clicking on the change chart type. After creating the column chart, you can just create, it will convert it to line chart also, like this. Now this is the line chart. You can change the chart type as a bar chart. You can now in this chart on the x-axis we are showing the names of the students. On the y-axis we are showing the marks. Now I am clicking switch rows and columns like that. Here it is the indication. Coming to the layout tab, by using this layout tab you can add the chart title, way to display the chart title above the chart or none or below the chart. Okay, you can modify the chart title. Access titles, you can also add access titles below access. You can add access title as this is the student, student name. You can, by using the legend button, you can show display the legend. Either you can display the legend left side, right side or top of the chart or below the chart, or else you can doesn't display the legend. By using, you must display the legends, then only everyone can understand the what is there in your chart. Okay, the mouse is showing in the right side, this is the legend. Okay, you can also add data table, show data table for your chart like this. You can add access, grid lines, plot area, everything to you can do the in the chart. In the format tab, by using this format tab, you can format the chart. You can change the color, text size and border colors, everything. Observe the changes. Whenever I am choosing one particular word style, automatically the marks all are changing. I am removing this data table from this chart. I am selecting none. So, this is one method to create a chart in MS Excel. This method is creates a chart in within the sheet. Now the second method is I would like to create a sheet chart in separate sheet. For that one, select the data, press F11 on the keyboard. Automatically the sheet is created as a separate sheet. The chart is created as a separate sheet. In previous method, the chart is created within the same sheet. If you observe, the chart is created within the same sheet. But if you use the second method, the chart is created in the separate sheet. Now you can also change the separate chart. Also you can change the color. Whenever you select the chart, automatically three tabs are added to your MS Excel: Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab. By using these three tabs, you can change the design, layout and format of your chart. Okay, thank you.